Friends, I welcome all of you with an open heart. A very beautiful evening. So I am Gopa Chakravarti here. Friends, this is a crucial time for all of us. Let's work together, staying apart from each other. That's all. The pandemic will be over very soon. Let's hope for the best. I've got so many things ready for you this time. Let me start with the episode. This is my 33rd episode, dear. So friends, this I've got for you. It's very difficult to get these pieces ready. This is the sari number 1. This is a batik, Chanderi silk batik, zari border. The sari goes like this, dear. This is the palla of the sari. Very comfortable for this kind of temperature. Wash and wear. 5.5 meters in length. This goes the blouse piece. This costs 2,700 for the sari number 1. Number 2 here. Number 2, hand batik. Chanderi hand batik with a broad zari border. 100 rupees enhanced, 2,800 dear. 2,800 for this sari. Body hugging, beautiful drape, very beautiful drape. This is for 2,800. Screenshot the sari. If you like any of them, please do send me a screenshot. I'll send you the bank details and you can transfer your money accordingly. Number 3, this is for 2,800. A batik done up beautifully. Now let me show the sari to them. This sari goes like this. As this is angular, it will cover the body. Angularly done. The batik, it will rise like this. This is for 2,800. Again a broad bordered zari border. Number 4 sari, abstract print on batik, 2,800. This is the blouse section. Each sari has a blouse to pair with. Yeah, these are our hand embroidered ones. Number 5 is for 3,100. This is my Drakha Phal design. Number 5 is for 3,100. Checkered cotton, beige in color. The sari goes like this. পুজো এসে গেছে, এবার কিন্তু ঝটপট বুকিং করুন, লাইভলি করে ফেলতে হবে সময়টাকে, বড়ই একঘেয়ে হয়ে গিয়েছিল। ঝটপট বুকিং করুন, শাড়ি পরুন নতুন। এই দেখুন, this is a parse embroidery, all butas throughout. I wanted to emphasize on this embroidery. দেখুন craftsmanship দেখুন। This sari costs 3,900 dear. Now this is 3,600. 3,600 please. Hey, a very known design. I keep on showing. Evergreen, always in demand. Checkered cotton. Our Poddolata design. Patented design. 3,400 for number 7. Pure Crepes white cotton. Checkered one. Friends, do share my videos, please. Sari number 8. This is my Jhumko Lata design. All motifs with pink color. Pure white Dhonikhali cotton. All my cottons are from Dhonikhali. This is for 3,100. What an intricate design. Cosmos is here. In all colors we make Cosmos embroidery. This is with royal blue, sky blue and green. Cosmos, black and white checks. This goes for 3,400. I actually wanted to drape the sari and show you this upper portion is without the embroidery, but when you drape it, it will come beautifully. It is properly ashe. You may think that oporta ashbe na, it's like this. It goes like this. You get the whole down below, you can see the embroidery, and the upper portion, the yoke portion is like this. So it covers your body, which part is needed. This sari costs 3,400. Oh, this is the magic Bapta. Magical. Bapta is for 4,000. Bapta is for 4,000. This is sari number 10. Pink Bapta, bhishon demand. This color specially. Look at the other half. Here goes the blouse section. Again one more Bapta. Bluish grey in color. Broad zari border. Number 11 for 4,000 again. Floral batik. The other half. Friends, they are all silk mark registered. Number 12, this is again Bapta material. Bapta material is actually tussar blended with matka silk. 4000. Number 12. Lovely. Green is always a favorite for greenhouse. Look at this, 12th. These are Munga tussars. Munga tussars. I am showing you Munga tussars for 4600. Number 13. This is also very oriental design and coffee color. This is for 4600. 300 rupees discount please. This is for 4300 now. 4300 for this Munga tussar. Show them the tussar. Totally let me show them. Attached blouse. One more Munga. Number 14. Come on friends. 4200 only. 300 rupees less for this Munga tussar. I'll give you for 3900. 3900 for this Munga tussar. This has a Gicha border. This is a Korean tussar. $4,900 please. No discount in this sari. Look at the material. Lovely material. This is a skirt border. Geometrical prints inside. And the silks, luxurious silks. Red, look at the brightness of the red. This costs 4600. We'll give you 300 rupees off on my batiks. This goes for 4300. Oh, this is so vibrant. This is the yoke portion and this goes like this. Number 17, sari number 17. 4600 dear. The black will steal the show. With 300 rupees discount for this sari. পুজো আসছে, এবার তো শাড়ির দরকার, শাড়ি একটু নিতেই হবে। 4300 for a very good batik. Yeah, this is the special one. Very special, very difficult to, tedious. This goes for 5200, no discount. This is a Bishnupur silk, Katan. 5200 for number 18. 5200 for number 18 of my 33rd episode. Number 19, this is on Zari border Toshor. Mesmerizing. Color ta dekhun. Amazing color. Zari border. Number 19. Look at the styling. Pure material. Greenhouse believes in quality. Number 20. Sari number 20, black and white. Admired by everybody. Black and white. Number 20 is for 5,400 dear. Number 20. It's খুব smart. All throughout. All throughout. These are all monstera leaves. All throughout. Monstera leaves. Number 21 is our premium quality tussar, which goes for 7,200. They are the ones which I'm not getting this. Very rarely we get this piece, this material. This is slightly woven inside. This is for 7,200. 7,200. Very rare piece. A smart palla. And the blouse section. This is the blouse section. Yeah. $5,400 for number 22. This combination is very rich. Look very elegant. Elegant sari. Very elegant. All throughout. এইটা হলো ব্লাউজ পিস। Hey, the splashes of color you enjoy. All brushing done up. 5,400 for number 23. 5,400 for number 23. Very heavy quality tussar, very good drape. 5,400. Yeah, this is again Greenhouse's product. This is Ghash Phool. Ghash Phool design. This is on Gachi Toshor, Zari border. Oh no, this is Kosa. This is Kosa Toshor. Zari border Kosa Toshor. This is for 11,500. Look at the sari. Look at the palla. Design. You can pair it with a different blouse. You can use the strip. $11,500 for this sari. Here's the Gujarati, which is very famous from Greenhouse. এটা দেখুন গাছি তসরে হয়েছে, is on গাছি তসর। $10,600 গাছি তসরে গুজরাতি। So beautiful. কলকাতার ভিউয়ার্সরা, আমার 452B কেয়াতলা রোড is open for you. 452B কেয়াতলা রোড, আপনারা আসুন, আমাকে ফোন করে আসুন, you'll be comfortable. This is sari number 26. That's all for today. This is my last piece, but the best one. Look at this design. This is Angur Lata. This is Pitai Zari work. Number 26 is for 11,000. So that's all for today. Let me wind up, dear. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Thank you. Oh, it is not finished.